Manufacturing and distributing electrical and electronic appliances require quality compliance management. Meeting quality standards and ensuring worker and customer safety are the top priorities to ensure high-quality products. Implementing the right quality management solution can work wonders for electrical and electronic manufacturing companies to gain more customer confidence and competitive advantage. That is why most electrical and electronic manufacturing companies rely on LuitBiz QMS Quality Management System to manage their quality processes. It is the most reliable, flexible, scalable, and secure quality management software that is extremely easy to use. It helps electrical and electronic companies streamline their quality processes and forms in accordance with their SOP, improve the conformance rate, reduce the product quality issues, defects, reworks, and recalls, ensure increased traceability of product quality issues and customer complaints, assess and reduce supplier risks, improve product and process quality, ensure complete safety with appropriate packaging and labeling specifications, meet compliance with the regulatory requirements, access your quality lifecycle information from anywhere in the world using any device, computer, or mobile. Are you ready to transform your quality processes into a quality decision-making engine? Get LuitBiz QMS to optimize your quality processes today. If you want to experience the LuitBiz QMS difference and optimize your quality processes, get your online demo scheduled today with one of our executives. For more information on LuitBiz QMS, get in touch with us at LuitBiz.com. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. We look forward to hearing from you. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you would like to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to our channel.